I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Kim Eng. She is the general manager at the Miami Marlins, and we have Caroline O'Connor, president of operations at the Miami Marlins. Ladies, it is wonderful and an honor to be sitting here with you today. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks so much for having us. This is great.
Thank you. So Kim, you made history when you became the first female general manager of the Miami Marlins, making history across any and all MLB teams. So talk to me about your journey and your motivation to break the glass ceiling and become the first GM in MLB history.
Sure. Well, it was definitely a long road, I can tell you that. It was over 30 years of working in the industry. Worked for several different clubs, Yankees, Dodgers, White Sox. Started out as an intern with the White Sox. And 2 stints at Major League Baseball. But it's been definitely a long road, but the prize was worth the wait.
Yes.
Interviewed numerous times for this job. And it really became sort of a dream probably about midway through my career when I realized that it could really happen. And so, it was lots of interviews, lots of discussions, lots of conversations, lots of hard work. But was able finally to make that happen.
All right, and Derek Jeter, he called you.
He did. Derek and I knew each other from the late 90s when I was with the Yankees. And Derek and I knew each other from way back. And, he was looking to fill the position in October of 2020. We had numerous conversations and met with Mr. Bruce Sherman, our owner, and in the end got done in November.
Now, Caroline, your journey is interesting because you came from a world of finance and then you went into sports. So tell me, how did you make that transition?
Yeah, I think you get great fundamentals growing up in finance, and I learned a lot, right here, although to come back to the finance industry in this way is a little bit surreal to be out here with you, Judy. But yeah, I learned a lot, and learned to work really hard, and people in professional sports work very hard.
And you're quite the dynamic duo. How does that feel to be making history with Kim?
I can't think of a better partner. We have a great working relationship, and like Kim said, we work really closely with our owner, Bruce Sherman, and we have a lot of fun, but there's a lot of hard work and tough decisions to make as well.
Now, you are here today. You rang the bell to celebrate a partnership with ADT.
Yes.
Talk to me about that partnership.
Yeah, so ADT is our inaugural Jersey Patch partner. So MLB just started a Jersey Patch partner program this season. And we're really proud that the first company that we really thought of that would make an ideal partner for us, ADT, is our partner. So they're South Florida based. They're based in Boca Raton, just like us. And we're happy to have South Florida with us. ADT has a huge legacy and a huge future. And so do the Miami Marlins. And so this year we're celebrating our 30th anniversary. They're about to celebrate their 150th anniversary. So 2 franchises that are really excited to go forward together.
That's very exciting. So now, Kim, baseball season has just kicked off. Talk to me about your priorities. And also, are you feeling the pressure being the only female general manager? Are all eyes on you to prove yourself?
That's right. So priorities, priority every day is to try and help the club win in any way that we can. We have a new manager, Skip Schumacher, along with a great new staff. So they work relentlessly every day to try and get that win. In terms of the pressure of being a general manager, as the first female, I think in general there's a lot of pressure as a general manager. I'm not sure there are many jobs in this world where your work is on display every single morning and people are commenting it across the country and across the world. But yeah, in general, being the first female is always difficult. But you know what? Pressure is a privilege, as Billie Jean King would say. And we've really tried to embrace that and know that that there is a lot of pressure, and that just makes it all the more worth it when we get to where we want to go.
Right. All right. And then finally, for you both, you're both making your mark. Talk to me about, or what advice do you have for women who want to follow in your footsteps? Kim?
Sure. I would say, again, to use the word relentless. It took a long time for me to get where I wanted to go, but it was, again, worth the wait. Every day is a battle, and you have to be prepared, over-prepared every day for that, for anything that comes to you.
Caroline?
So take every opportunity you can. You know, if you're the first to do something, it doesn't mean you can't do it.
All right. Well, it is such an honor to be with you both. Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you
Thanks,
so
Judy.
much.